Winter is the best time for self-care, soaking in a luxurious warm bath, enveloping yourself in uplifting aromatherapy. Let me show you how you can create a perfect ambiance for an amazing spa-like experience in your own bathroom. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. I am home alone today. So I want to have a nice hygge day. I want to take a nice hot bath, set up my aromatherapy. But as you can see, I'm a little bit cluttered and looking a little bit shabby. My cabinets really need some attention. And before I have my relaxing tub, what I want to do is I want to get my cabinets nice and organized so that I have a beautiful aesthetic to take my bath. So I'm going to get all of this stuff out of here and I'm going to get everything organized, get the top of my sink looking good, and let's get started. So first things first, everything has to come off of the countertops. You have to start with a clean slate, and then I will use some wipes, some Clorox wipes and some Windex wipes. I'll use the Clorox wipes to clean the sinks inside and out, and then clean the countertops. I will use a paper towel to wipe everything down so there are no streaks and make sure that my faucets are nice and clean. And then I get the mirror clean so everything looks nice and spotless here. And now I'll get to work underneath the sink. And again, taking everything out, you have to start with an empty space so that you can wipe everything down. I use this LAFCO Sea and Dune Classic Reed Diffuser, which smells incredible every time I open the cabinet doors. But getting back to cleaning here, I have this acrylic little organizer, and I'm going to set it up on top of the counter with everything I use on a daily basis. This is really going to make getting ready in the morning quick. Everything is at my fingertips and it's nice and clean. And now I'll get to organizing what's inside the cabinet. I'm putting all of my palettes into that beautiful box. I have my drawers and I'm organizing everything that I keep, all my spare stuff, things that aren't used that frequently, but everything is at my fingertips. And going through your stuff, you end up finding things that you forgot you had. So I'm just getting everything organized within these drawers. And one of the things I love is aromatherapy, and this Gnome cleansing balm and night cream is such a great way to wind down at night. I just love it. And I'm just going to store my cleansing cloths and everything under here, and it's looking really, really great. And I'm just going to finish organizing everything and turning these cluttered cabinets into something that's organized. And every time I open the doors, I will get a sense of calm and peace and be ready to start my days. And one more thing I wanted to show you before we wrap up the cleaning and organized portion of this video is, do you ever deal with the bottom of the cup where you keep your toothbrush? It gets kind of nasty at the bottom. I just take one of those Clorox wipes and use the end of my toothbrush and wipe out the bottom, and it really is an easy way to clean the cup that holds your toothbrush. So I'm just about finished with getting everything looking good on the counter. I even clean my soap dispenser and any decorative items that I like to have on my counter. I have one of these little Bluetooth speakers so I can listen to audiobooks or music in the morning. I clean my glasses, and I get my little dish that holds all of my jewelry. When I take it off at night, everything is looking really good at this point. So I'm going to get ready to set up my aromatherapy. And this gnome has some calm and relax essential oils. I will put it into my diffuser so that the whole outer area of my bathroom smells incredible as I create the ambiance for my bath. You can see that I am looking much better than I did when I started this video. Everything is clean and sparkly and in its place. And I have an aromatherapy candle and some comfy clothes to get into after my nice soak in the tub. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you've gotten some inspiration to clear your clutter and enjoy a nice, relaxing day. Create your own spa-like experience. Take care, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.